In today's video, we are going to write a simple C++ program for a currency converter. So here I am in a Visual Studio. We'll make a file, let's say currency currency converter dot cpp. So in this program, we are going to convert Indian currency into three different other currencies. That is, first Nepali currency, second is dollar, and the third one is euro. So let's first include this IO stream. Next is using namespace std int main. Now I'll return here 0. What we'll be doing here is we'll make a function named as currency converter, and we'll first display some of the requirements, like three operations we are going to perform. First is conversion of INR to Nepali, conversion of INR to US dollar, conversion of INR to euro. So we'll be displaying these three options, and user will be giving the input which operations he wants to perform. Either of the three, he can choose any one at once, and he can input that option, and he will direct it to the conversion of that currency. So for that, we'll make a function void currency converter. First, we will display press 1 to convert INR to Nepali rupees. Now we'll again copy this, paste in the second line. We'll make some changes. Second operation we are going to perform is INR to DOLL dollar. This will be 2, here 2. Now in third as well, we'll make some changes. 3 convert INR to euro. EUR. At last, we'll make one more, option 4. Press 4 to exit. We have 4 options to display at the beginning. Now for these 4 cases, we'll be using switch case. SWIT switch case. Here in switch case, we'll be passing the options that we need to perform. So we want to pass option here. So let's just initialize the option int option option. Will ask the user to input the option, enter the option, will take the input, that is option. Now in this case, whatever the option user will give, it will work accordingly. So in first case we are going to perform, first we will display the message enter INR to convert into Nepali rupees. Now he'll be entering the INR rupees that he want to convert in Nepali rupees. So we'll take the input INR. We have not initialized INR, therefore we have to initialize here, declare here FLOAT float INR. So after performing the conversion rate, it may come in decimal as well. So that why we have initialized INR to float. Now, after taking the input from the user, we have to calculate INR is equal to INR into 1.60, and 1 Nepali rupees is equal to 0.6 Indian rupees. That is why we are multiplying 1.60 with the Indian rupees. Now after conversion we'll display the result. So we'll simply display converted amount, amount, amount is INR. Now we have displayed the message. Let's say if the user want to perform more operations, then we have to give the options to call the function again. For that we'll ask the user press 1 to perform new operations. We'll break the line here. Press 4 to exit. Let's say why I kept here 4, because in option 4 we have to write a case to exit. Now we will check if the user want to perform the new operation or not. So we'll check new operation is equal to 1. If it is 1, then the currency converter program will be called, otherwise it will break. So we have not declared new operation, so we have to declare it here. Int new, what is this, new operation, let's keep it option, it will be smaller, right? Yeah. New OPTIN option. This is done. Save. After it will break. Now similarly for case 2 we have to write the same code, but the conversion rate will be different. So we'll copy this, paste it here, and make changes according to the need. Like we wanted to convert it in euro, so I'll write in euro. What is the conversion rate? So for euro we have to multiply with 0.6 0.011. The converted amount is, this will be displayed again. Now if see, one thing we missed here, after displaying this message we are not taking the input from the user, so we have to take the user option. What is the new option? Yeah, new option. Then and then only this condition will be checked, otherwise there is no use of this new option is equal to 1. Yeah, for the same here as well. Sorry, cin will take the input new option. Now he'll press either 1 or 4. If he press 1, this if condition will run, this become true and he'll redirect it to the currency converter, or he'll press 4, then he'll come out of the program. So our case 2 is done. Now similarly for case 3, we will again copy this code, copy and paste here, and make some changes. Here we want to keep it in dollar. So for the dollar, the conversion is 0.012. Now again this is the same. New, after displaying this message, he will be asked whether he want to perform new operations or exit from the program. If he press 1, then again the program will be called, and if he press 4, then he will be redirected out of the program. So for exit also we need to make one case let's say 4, and in case 4 we direct right break and default. If let's say we have 4 options to input, but the user is giving some input beyond the given options, so in that case we have to display some message like let's say sorry, invalid input. Sorry, invalid input. Now this is done. So we are done with making the function of currency converter, but this is not only required, we have to call this function in the main function as well. So currency converter, after calling this, will make will display a message here. So thank you, will display message, and we'll run the program. Let's see what comes here. So yeah, we got this. Let's make it a little attractive. For that I will display a message. Let's say CURRENCY currency converter. Yeah, this will look pretty good, and let's give a space after this 4, so it will, the visibility will be quite better. After option 4 we want to give a space, so here we'll print indal. Now let's run this code. See, we got this currency converter. We have four options. Press 1 to convert INR to Nepali rupees. Press 2 to convert INR to dollar. Press 3 to convert INR to euro. Press 4 to exit. Enter the option. Let's say I entered 1. It is asking me to enter INR rupees. Let's say I want to see 100. So converted amount. So 100 is equal to 160 in Nepali rupees. So let's say I want to perform one more new operation. So again press 1, new option. Which option we want to perform? Let's say I want to convert to dollar. So press 2, INR, let's say 100 rupees. So 100 is equal to 1.1 dollar. Yeah, and after press 4 to exit. Let's see, it is working out. Pressing 4, sorry, here converting amount, perform 1 to press 4. Let's say I kept it 100. For what, is there anything wrong? Case 4, okay. Case 4 is simply break from here. After pressing 4, sorry, yeah, after pressing 4 we got thank you. So we are out of the program. This is the way we can work with simple currency converter. This is just simple code. You can make it little better as well as per your need. So you can try it on your own for the practice, and the code will be provided in the description. You can check it from there as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.